which student will be using to attend the live class. Now add recipient and send the message. Parents will receive the notification of the invitation. Now we will learn how the live class is conducted. Teacher will click the start button here from the dashboard at the scheduled time and such screen will appear. Now here I would like to explain each feature. A downstream teacher can mute the class so that his or her sound doesn't go to students. Can stop the video to stop sharing the video. Can check the participants who all are attending the class, can mute all the students or unmute them, chat with them. The very important feature is share, where teacher can share photo, document, screen or whiteboard. Example, if teacher want to show some book, can click the document and show the book kept in his or her mobile. Can share the whiteboard and can write whatever required. Once 40-minute class is done, press end at right top to end the class. These all was from teacher end. Now for the students, they will download the app and just click join the meeting and put the meeting ID which is sent by the teacher via eCare app notification and will be able to join the live class as teacher begins the class. Upon receiving the notification, parents or student can also click the link given in the notification and reach directly at the live class. Thank you.